In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Copilot account on mobile. If you've decided it's time to remove your Copilot account, I'll walk you through the exact path inside the mobile app so you can do it quickly and confidently. This process affects the account that's currently signed in on your Copilot app, and it permanently removes your Copilot data, so follow along carefully. Start by opening the Copilot app on your phone. On the main screen, look to the top left corner for the menu button, often called the hamburger icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open the side menu. From the menu, tap your profile icon. This takes you to your account area where you can manage settings related to your profile and data. Next, tap the option labeled Account. Inside the Account section, look for Privacy and select it. This is where Copilot keeps controls for your personal data and deletion options. On the Privacy page, scroll all the way to the bottom. There, you'll see an option called Delete Account. Tap Delete Account to proceed. At this point, Copilot will display an important message explaining what this action means. Deleting your Copilot account cannot be undone. All your conversations, interactions, and anything you've shared or created with Copilot will be deleted. This is a permanent change, so take a moment to be sure you're ready. If you're certain you want to continue, go ahead and tap Delete Account again to confirm. Once you do, the app will process your request and your account will be deleted. Depending on your device and connection, this may take a moment, but you don't need to do anything else. When it's done, your Copilot account and associated content within the app will be removed. That's the entire process. Open the Copilot app, tap the hamburger icon, go to your profile, choose Account, then Privacy, scroll to the bottom, select Delete Account, review the warning, and confirm by tapping Delete Account. If you're still considering your options, you can simply back out before confirming and your account will remain active. But once you confirm the deletion, it's permanent. I hope this helped you confidently remove your Copilot account on mobile. If you found this walkthrough useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.